Hi, and welcome to the solution for this adjusting the position for each graphic to header dynamically. As you have mentioned that you want to reorder your visuals with all the data cards as per your bookmark selection. Right now, Power BI does not actually support rearranging or repositioning the visuals based on any buttons or any bookmarks. But somehow we can achieve what we are trying to do over here is uh, we can easily play with the visible and hidden options available in Power BI. Uh, to illustrate this, I have just created one sample dashboard for you based on the Contoso database, and it is something which looks similar to the one which you have shown in your post. So here what I have is on the top there are three bookmarks, name 1, name 2 and all. These are the titles. Here we have the first row as name 1 and the second row as name 2. In the first row I have first this title A as name 1 and then three different visuals available over here. So what you are looking for is if I click on name 1, it should immediately show me the name 1 row and the name 2 row should be hidden, and I believe this you have already achieved. But what as the next is that when I click on name 2 bookmark on the top, it should hide the name 1 row and name 2 row should be visible on the name 1 row area. And when I click all, it should look like what it is already showing me on the screen. So let's see what we can do with this. First of all, I come to this view area on the ribbon on the top and I click on the selection pane. Then what I do is in my selection pane I can see all the visuals that I am already having. I come back and then I insert a text box. This text box actually helps me to have better visibility of what I am doing and what I want to show on the visual when it is selected. It actually helps me to make things more clear. You can, by the way, insert an image, but I think the text box option is more simple. So I set the transparency to 0 and the color is white. Now I have this text box, but this text box is right now somewhere in the background, so I just take this text box and bring it to the front, right? So first of all, what I want to do is I select all my visuals from the row 2. After selecting them, I just press Ctrl C to copy them and then Ctrl V to paste them over here. I just drag these pasted ones to the top, and I think I have to make my this text box a bit bigger so when it is visible it should hide everything which is behind it. So right now, like this. So let's try selecting my text box. So this is my text box selected. This next all these visuals, and I will try to first make them invisible. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now it is easier for me to understand all of them. So I bring all of them to the top. 1, 2, 3, and 4th. So I have all of them with me, and here's the 5th one. So now I also have this text box on the front. I will also bring it to the top ones. So if all of these are hidden, it means the report is as per the bookmark all selected. Now what I do is simply I go to the view area, I click create a bookmark, and I click on add and rename it to all. But one thing, I don't want to keep any data filters with this one. I remove the data filters, and then next thing is I select this name, this visual, this visual, and this one. I just put this text box around them so I can better understand all of them. Let me hide 1, 2, 3, and 4, and let me unhide the row 2 options like this. So I have my row 2 over here, and I also am going to hide my actual row 2, which is only visible. One more thing, let me rearrange them apart. Now let me hide all of them. So I add this view bookmark as name 2, and I also exclude the data check from it. And the last thing is that I have to hide these 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and unhide all the ones which are for row 1. And then I add one more bookmark, which is name 1. Okay, so now we have 3 bookmarks, which should actually, let me see, if I click on view this one, all, so it is showing me all of the 2 rows. I click on 2, it will place the 2 in the top position, and if I click on 1, it will show me 1 on the top position. So apparently it is repositioning, but actually you are playing with the hide and show all options. So that's not all. We have to assign these buttons with the actions. Sorry, my actions, I have the bookmarks. I click over here, and name 1 is my name 1 bookmark. On name 2 I have the name 2 bookmark, and on all I have the all bookmark. And now I have all done. I just control and click on name 1. It should show me only options with name 1. Name 2, the row is repositioned, and all is showing everything. So thank you very much, and I hope this will help you finding a solution to your requirement.